friends, welcome back to this stock analysis. We have been featuring it over the last few months, and the entire concept of the stock analysis is to give you the benefit of trading in direction of the trend. Well, with the last week of 2008 playing out, or you can say the last day of 2018 playing out tomorrow, one should be in a frame of mind which I believe is the right way of approaching, which is a mixed approach. The reason being that I find that the Nifty has tread into some resistance. Nifty IT is soft or maybe negative, and Bank Nifty is flying a lone flag. So with such a scenario being in front of us, one should actually be looking at a buy and a sell opportunity. And that's what I have with me today. I have a buy as well as a sell opportunity, and I'm sure that you'll be able to derive benefit from this analysis and also some handsome profits. So with that, let's dive into this analysis part. And the first stock is on the long side, and for the long I have with me TORRENT Pharma, and the pharma space has been blowing hot and cold, but yes, this stock has definitely been blowing hot, and you can see here that the steady rise has been along the pitchfork lower channel, and the continuous support along the lower channel has led to some strong bullish opportunities here. And you can see here that on Friday the stock did do well because it rebounded from supports, and to aid this were the developments on the momentum part. And the momentum part, you can see here that the RSI is now intending to head higher. Its previous scenarios where even in November and in early December it continues to rebound from 50 levels. So this overall setup does look positive, and it's all set to take out its high around 1838. So one should actually be looking to buy at current levels or on decline towards 1750 for an upside towards 1860. So it's a big target which is in play, and I'm sure that the overall potential of the stock does looks to be exciting and promising for the coming week. Well, this is on the long side, and for the short side I have the stock of Coal India. Coal India has been in a continuous state of decline, and post the fall which we from November, the stock made a quick rebound, and you can see here that the stock has been playing well along the pitchfork, and after taking support at the lower channel of the pitchfork, the stock made a hammer on the daily chart and the rise which we saw here has actually led into the 38.2% Fibonacci levels, which is around 252, and the stock made a brave attempt to exceed these levels. However, the stock could not succeed, and the prices declined with a gap on Friday. So a gap and a trading below the median line does spell us some good selling opportunity for the coming week. Well, the market is looking bullish, but yes, one should be ready with some sell opportunity, and that's why I am proposing a buy and a sell for the coming week. So it's already closed below the median line, and any move below the region of 237 would be a good opportunity to initiate short with a stop loss about 243. So a stock which a small stop loss and a potential target towards the region of 225 is what I am envisaging for the coming week. And I'm sure that once the momentum, you can see here I have used the concept here of the ADX DMI lines, and I can see here that the negative DI is now inching higher. So the overall setup does indicate that the bears could once again step in, and once that really happens, this stock is going to travel south. So be ready for the stock on the short side, and that's what is the offer with me on the stock analysis. One long on the TORRENT Pharma, one short in Coal India. Both of them I have got excellent opportunities because one is rebounding from support and the other as just close below an important support zone. So a very mixed scenario coming up for the coming week, and one should be watching out for these. This kind of analysis, this kind of detailed work is what happens when you put in the required amount of work and dedication. And that's what has been taught by my founder, Dr. C.K. Narayan, and I'm glad to be associated with him because he has given me the courage and the conviction to share my knowledge. He has given me the courage and conviction to stand out there in the media and state what is right and what is wrong. And I'm very happy to state that the analysis which have been coming out either in the media or on my YouTube channel have been doing exceedingly well. I'll be sharing with you guys another video where I will talk about the recent analysis which has come out, and you will see that the stock analysis which I have shared on the video, or be it the nifty videos as well, they have all done exceedingly well. So how can you do all this? You can do all this if you are trained under the right set of mentors, the right set of guidance, and that's why Chart Advice is proudly stating that our kind of curriculum, our kind of detailing is not there anywhere. Well, for that you need to do either a 2-day workshop if you are a beginner, or you need to do our live market program called as RMM. So what happens in a 2-day workshop? In a 2-day workshop, my team takes you through a detailed analysis of the market using the various sets of technical analysis tools, and how to use them in the right manner, and how to project and how to predict the future outcome of a stock or an index. That is what an aim is. But for that you need to understand the concept of price, you need to understand the concept of momentum, you need to understand the concept of patterns, and when you try and put all these things together, it comes out like a beautiful canvas. And that's what we do in the Winning Trader. And for those who are already proficient with the understanding of the markets and also with the understanding of technical analysis, for them we have a program called as Real-Time Market Mastery. The Real-Time Market Mastery is a program aimed at enabling you in every possible way, be it price analysis, be it mind analysis, be it structured analysis, be it any kind of analysis. You will be able to find your goal. You will be able to know where is your weak spot. You have to address it so that you are able to make money day after day. And that's what we do in Real-Time Market Mastery. It's not about trading, it's not about making money, it's about who you are. Can you control your destiny? Yes, you can, but then there is a process, and it is possible in the market. So instead of saying that the markets are very difficult, the markets are very volatile, just come to Chart Advice. We will change your perception. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year, and hope to see you in 2019. Thank you.